When you go to La Union, you will find San Fernando to be the center of it all. It's really the economic hub of La Union, and you would see most offices, most businesses found in that area. There are a lot of establishments, local establishments, that really serve not the tourist market, but establishments that have been serving the locals through the years. And these establishments have somehow become institutions in their own right. One of the spots close to the City Hall is Cafe Esperanza, which serves dishes that have become part of the Filipino repertoire. So American, Spanish recipes that have been added into like Filipino cuisine, no? Dito tayo sa Cafe Esperanza sa San Fernando. I forgot about this place, pero nakita ko siya. And I remember they have good ensaymada. And I think my friend is like related to the owners here or something. I will check on that. But for now, kakain muna ako. Ensaymada, empanada, and ano pang masarap? Akala ko dessert lang. Diretso na merienda. Very nice, cozy ambiance. And I'll start off with the chicken empanada. Siksik ang laman, no? Sarap siya. Flaky. Ang sarap ng crust. Look, oh. Patatas, carrots. Ensaymada. Let us smell. Buttery. Melt in your mouth. Thank you. Here's my palabok, huh? There are places like this, well-established, been there for quite some time, that really serve the locals for a long time, no? And up to now, they're still here. Kaya to, sa sobrang tagal ko na pumunta sa La Union, still doing very well. Very simple. Sauce, may chicharon, egg, and spring onions or leeks. Yun na, oh. Very nice, rich sauce. There's a nice creaminess sa sauce. It feels like visiting your tita's house. Very homey vibe. So it's just a stone's throw from the San Fernando City Plaza. City Hall, Pasalubong Center, and this one, Cafe Esperanza.
Halo-halo this De Ilocos started way back April 18 of 2004. So it all started with a glass of halo-halo. My goal is to have a brand of La Union kasi napansin ko La Union is just a pit stop before. So ngayon naisip ko, why not come up with the idea na tatatak sa lahat ng tao ang La Union. That's why I came up with the idea. I will locally source out yung mga ingredients ng La Union from different towns and then gagawin ko siyang dessert, which is the halo-halo. The ingredients of my halo-halo came from the different towns of La Union. So nagkaroon na ng brand ang La Union. So parang ang sarap ng La Union, matitikman mo na sa isang baso. Doon nag-start ang halo-halo de Ilocos. Until such time, some of the tourists, visitors that coming in my restaurant, they're asking for some snacks, foods. Kaya nag-create ako ng fusions.
Ito, hindi talaga to siya garnish. Ito siya ay bangs ko. Diba? Bagay ba? And ito talaga yung pinupunta ko dito sa La Union. This is my favorite okoy. Like a shrimp fritter with suka and the halo-halo. So, even if I just had these two things here, I'd be happy. So ito, there's ice cream on top with grated cheese. Sweet salty. And this is a mix of purple yam and purple kamote. And there's leche flan, there's corn. And yung sweetener, they use local honey. So that's Let's mix everything up and let's begin enjoying our halo-halo. Sago, mais. It's nice, it's not so sweet, and it's not so cold kasi natunaw na yung ice. So this place is very popular to tourists, local and foreign tourists alike, and they come for this halo-halo. They also have this halo-halo in the coconut, in the buko, but it's not available today. But this one's good. Appetizer and dessert, sabay-sabay. Or this can be merienda as well. Where am I? Go. Wow! Yan, no? First dibs tayo dito, di pa bukas. Nagbukas para sa atin, no? Laki naman ng jackstone nyo. Wow! Oh, may pabanda pa, oh. Oh, beautiful. Picture. Are you ready to bowl? Let's go! There are a lot of things coming up in La Union, and this is one of them, Astro Alley. I'm excited. Dapat manalo ako, ha? The last time I bowled was siguro mga 10 years ago. Oh! Woo! Woo! Not bad, di ba? Of all the things gagawin ko dapat sa La Union, ang hindi ko na-expect ay mag-bowling. Woo! Woo! Ha? Ha? Woo! Look at that! Woo! I'm made for bowling. Ano? Lalaban kayo sa akin? Lalaban kayo? Score! Woo! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Oh! 87. Pasado. Astro Alley is the first in La Union, and it's beautiful. You should visit.